developments in Lakshadweep after the appointment of the new administrator Praful Patel is an extension of the bigotery and irresponsibility of the central government. Lakshadweep is a group of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea, a union territory of the coast of Kerala detached from the mainland of India. The island group has managed with absolutely no cases of COVID-19 for a year because of the strict quarantine guidelines for those coming from the mainland by the former administrator Dineshwar Dharam. With the coming of Patel and his intervention that anyone within 48 hours of testing negative for the virus can enter the land, the cases has shot up to more than 5,000. With no adequate health facilities and a greater risk for the spread of the disease provided the small area, the death toll is also rising. The administration of Lakshadweep consists of administrator and the elected members of the district panchayat. Patel has curtailed the powers of the district panchayat in 5 most important areas: education, health, fisheries and animal husbandry, enabling an undemocratic exercise of power by the administrator alone. Hundreds of employees are being dismissed from government jobs, while all the other administrators of the union territories till date remain civil servants. Patel is a BJP leader, former Home Minister of Gujarat. Patel is waging a direct attack on the Muslims of the island. Upon his coming, the posters against CA and RC were removed. Meat is omitted from school students' lunch menu. Numerous Anganwadis are closed. The infamous Kunda Act is being enforced in a land with absolutely no crimes reported and no convicts in the jail. Those who have more than 2 children are banned from contesting in panchayat elections. A weed ban is being introduced. Liquor shops are being permitted when Lakshadweep has a history of being an alcohol-free land, which is an important part of its culture. The administration is also cutting off the land's long established ties with Bepur port. A large section of the people in the island are fishermen. On the pretext of the protecting coastal area, the fishermen's sheds were destroyed without any warning. These measures are nothing but part of a larger plan to ethnically cleanse the Muslims of the land, rob them of their resources, identity and the land. The filthy attempts of the BJP government to wipe away a community from their own land by infiltrating their culture and questioning their existence should be condemned. Rise in rage against the anti-human, anti-Muslim measures by the administration Lakshadweep.